bitch, I'm going.
What's up you guys, Motionless here, and today we got a new video. In this video, I am going to be welding on my extended shock towers from Downstar. Here they are right here. This one's for the passenger side, and this one is for the driver side. Not too sure what the difference is between them two, but we're just gonna go with what they say. So I will be using my POV camera, my Insta360 Go 3S, to show you guys what my eyes are seeing and what you're seeing at the same time. Let's go right into the other camera. All right, you guys. So first things first, I do need to move that car. Need to move this car out the way so that I can bring my car in. God, it's hot as balls in here too. Close enough. Okay. There's a lot of spider webs though. That's really it. I have mine cut a little too small. It is a lot wider. So what we'll have to do is cut more here so that we can get a better fitting. Somewhere right here. This is the driver's side too. This is the driver's side. And we'll have to be cutting a lot more than we'd like. So stop like right here. Yeah, this whole part will need to go. Passenger side. Passenger side is a little bit more cut off. But let's see what we gotta.
Stop it. Get some help.
All right there. It's better now. Okay. Unfortunately, the camera died hella fast as I was doing all of this. So I was only able to get some of the footage, but not the actual process of me welding it on. RIP. But we did get it on though. We do have it on. Not too bad, not too bad. The hood closes just fine. I paint it. We be Gucci. So yeah, no more open spots on the side. No more cut open spots. It is now welded on. Looks hella nice. Just like I said, need to paint it. But it's looking good though.
get higher, I take some eat. If I wanna get a little fire, I go on the shopping street. Shot, I'll ride it. Yeah, she's tweak. If ain't high in the morning, I be high by the evening. Little shawty said she fuck with my swag on so I can see it. It ain't about having money, it's about how you keep it. It ain't about having stats, but it's
What's going on, you guys? Picking up the camera again. Sadly, as you can see, we got a good old crack on my brand new P1 lip. I was on the highway. There was debris on the road. I didn't have enough reaction time to avoid it, so I had no choice but to run over the debris. Luckily enough, there was no issues with the car. There was only just this crack right here. It could have been way worse. This whole thing could have been destroyed. Obviously, that's fixable. As if you can see right there, I do have some fiberglass filler that I'm going to be putting on this lip right here just to fix this part, just because you don't want to have this crack even more over time. You kind of need to repair it if it is cracked. I've never done any fiberglass work in my life, so this is going to be the first time ever doing this, but it should be straightforward, not too difficult to understand. I did also get another car part right there. DC Sports strut brace for the front. I never used the strut brace for the front before. This is going to be the first time this car is ever going to have something like this. This shouldn't take too long. Like I said, is only a small little crack right there. Okay, so do I know what I'm doing? Absolutely not. Is it gonna work though? It should. So here's a finished product of these EF spindles and tie rods. Just got done today. Pretty nice, pretty nice. All right, cool. Here it is. Right here. Very nice. I really like this design. Specifically why I chose DC Sports. This design looks pretty gnarly, not gonna lie. Can't really see that one into installing this thing. Unfortunately, I do need to modify it just a little bit. These holes right here are not aligning very well. It's on that side, but on this side, it's yeah, not aligning. So I need to make the holes a little bit bigger so that they'll fit better. BRB.
With my swag on so I can see it. It ain't about having money, it's about how you keep it.